Hey, today on Tea Time, I thought we would do crafts. It's been so hot outside, so I thought we should make paper fans. Go grab a piece of paper and some tape. I'll make faces while I wait. You have 10 seconds. Go! Get started. All you need to do is take your paper and lay it flat on the ground. You're going to fold it over just a little bit, like this. Perfect! Now take your paper and flip it upside down. We're going to fold it again, just on the other side. Now we're going to keep going until we fold the fan all the way down the paper. Let's do it. This is looking great. Almost done. There. Now take your paper that's all folded and we're going to press it flat. Now get a piece of tape and we'll wrap it around the bottom. That looks perfect. Spread out your fan and cool yourself off. Next time, try using your favorite color paper. Mine is pink. Or decorate it like this one. You should make these for your whole family. They'd be really glad next time they're out in the sun. Well, thanks for making crafts with me today.